Thank you very much. I rise today in support of the Conscience Protection Act because in America, we think, worship, and believe differently than each other. We're granted the freedom to believe, and it's a freedom that sets us apart. It makes us unique. It's not a flaw. It's special. It's spectacular even. Preserving this freedom is not easy. It wasn't meant to be. Living in a country where everyone is promised the right to live free according to their own beliefs and dreams is difficult. But you know what? It's a challenge that we've risen to time and time again, and we must continue to do so. All of this is exactly why the Conscience Protection Act is so important. It stops the government from coming in and taking away a person's freedom to choose a doctor who shares their beliefs, or forcing churches to make decisions that violate their conscience, like purchasing health insurance plans that go against who they are. And importantly, it allows doctors and other healthcare providers to focus on healing and caring for their communities without the fear of having someone from the government telling them they have to do something that violates who they are and what they believe. It's no secret the federal government isn't supposed to be discriminating against healthcare providers who refuse to participate in abortion. It's against the law. But here we have the Department of Health and Human Services ignoring the law and doing whatever they want to do. And along the way, they're ignoring people who wish to leave abortions out of their coverage or their medical practice. There's a number of reasons this kind of discrimination cannot stand, but the biggest reason, people are being told what to do and how to believe by the government. In this case, it's the Department of Health and Human Services joining the ranks of countless faceless, nameless bureaucrats who are trying to dictate what beliefs are more worthy of the protection than others. And they have to stop it. Support the Conscience Protection Act today, because people who believe differently than us are promised the freedom to still find unity as communities and companies, and no one should be denied that freedom based on their unwillingness to participate in abortion. Support the Conscience Protection Act on behalf of people who are just trying to live their lives and do what they believe is the right thing. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I yield back.